come, let's play. I have a hunch with Lulu and Munch. Munch! Munch and I are pretending to be in a truck. Because Munch just got a lot of really fun truck toys. Should we play with them?
Yay!
Let's play!
Wow, Munch, you have so many truck toys.
So many trucks. Munch love trucks. And sand. Vroom, vroom.
Look at that truck go.
Vroom, vroom. Wow. The wheels go round.
You are so good at playing with your trucks, Munch.
Going to push sand.
What fun.
Whoa. Big yellow trucks. So fun.
Can I play with you? I'll be this truck.
I've got 2 of these trucks. Munch play with Lulu.
Aw, thanks for sharing, Munch.
Lulu push and Munch push.
Pushing the sand.
We work together.
What kind of truck is this?
Excavator.
What is this truck called?
A concrete mixer. Whoa.
What about this truck?
A dump truck.
Wow, what about this one?
Bulldozer. Whoa. Push so much sand.
What is this truck called?
A loader.
You sure know your trucks, Munch. I'm gonna be the concrete maker.
Let's build something.
Beep, beep.
Move sand.
Yes, let's make a dirt mountain with the sand. Whoa, look how much sand that truck is picking up.
Yeah, let's make a sand mountain. Oh, beep, 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 beep. Using the dump truck. Beep, beep.
It's the dump truck.
Good job, dump truck. We did it.
Dumping sand.
Whoa.
It's the excavator.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Wow. Making a sand mountain.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Pushing the sand.
Dump out sand over here.
Well, that's a great spot for sand, Munch.
Good job.
It's going up and down. And up and down.
We did it. We did it.
Wow, that was so much fun. We pushed trucks around and we played in the dirt.
Oh.
And I love how the wheels go round and round and round. Do you like that, Munch?
Around, around, around.
You're right. Round and round and round. Thanks for playing with us, Munch Kids. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for our weekly videos.